Are you okay with this, Laura? If I yell at you?
I'm thinking I might go to the CVS and print some pictures.
Of what?
Of the kids that I've been wanting to do for a while.
Oh.
Hello, everyone! That's not French, is it? That fucking nothing. Oh, I have a little ambiance. Ah!
What?
Why is there holes in here? That's spilled somewhere, but I can't see where it is. Oh, it went everywhere. You must be pissed at me. Hello, my fellow Americans. We will be making some shitty chef sure. It's probably in the cabinet. She goes, what the fuck is going in the cabinet again? Yeah, God, I'm only fucking eat ketchup. I just don't want to like cut with the hand right here. I can barely see. I'm gonna cut off my finger.
Well, don't put your left hand there. But you're good. Hey, you were okay with the ketchup part.
I was okay with it. I'm not doing the fucking mayo right now.
Just do the mayo.
I'm not doing the mayo right now.
Alright, in 20 minutes?
Am I just mashing them?
Yeah.
Like it's not rolling.
It's rolling.
Okay.
Go.
Now you will take the cherries and put them in the pan. Oh, what on my sleeve? How did you do that? You went on my sleeve. Where can you see? Can you see me? Mm-hmm. So next we have, you don't want to go like this. I almost forgot. I am a smart chef. Smart chef, I am here. I forgot to spray the pan sheet with the sheet of the pans. Nope. I didn't like that. I forgot. Stupid chef. No, try again.
That was good, but you just didn't play it off the rest of it.
Stupid chef. As you know what? I am the chef. This is looks so good. It can be so good.
Just go again.
What part you were just
Everything. Just do the whole thing again.
Yum yum.
Oh, do it again.
Now one of the last steps. We need the crusty stuff. Where to find? Oh, here we go. Oh, here we. Oh, yes. Very nice. Yes, I love it. Perfect. I love it. What we have here is expired mayonnaise. It uses. What was that? Oh, now the last step, we need to use some expired mayonnaise. It needs to be expired because the glue it needs to be expired because it's a glue-like substance that we need to use the Christmas shit. We have to use. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. Help me out here. We need to use the mayonnaise. It needs to be expired because it acts like a glue-like substance. As the mayo... Help me out.
You almost have it.
We need to use the mayonnaise. Should we get backs? Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yum yum. I'm gonna vomit. Fucking gross. What the fuck is this black shit? What is that?
I think that's the colors mixed.
Oh, good lord. Oh, I love it! Oh! I don't want to look at it. Would you like my dish? Yes, I would! I'm putting it in here. Eat. Your turn. Oh, your turn. Stay tuned for next week when we have Schloopenstein.